Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 7 challenges, let's take up our 8th challenge now, which is create twin field on the order project. So once if you launch your playground, let's go to our setup. So from here click on object manager. So in quick find search for order and click on order product, and now go to fields and relationship followed by new. Scroll down and choose pick list right over here, and now click on next. So for field label, let's copy your label name. So copy this and paste it over here, and for values click on enter values with each value separated by a new line, and copy these two values and paste it over here, and now click on next followed by next followed by save and new. So again we are going to create one more pick list. Let's copy the field label. So copy this, and here just scroll down and choose pick list followed by next, and paste the label right over here, and choose enter value with each value separated by a new line, and copy all of these three values and paste it over here, and now click on next followed by next followed by save and new. So now we are going to choose text. Just scroll down and choose text right over here, click on next. Let's copy our label which is given over here as engraving. So copy this and paste it over here, and for length we are going to give 100, and now click on next followed by next followed by save and new. So again one more pick list. For that let's copy our pick list label which is given over here. So copy this and scroll down, choose pick list over here and choose next, and paste the value, and for here we are going to choose outlet standard. Now click on next followed by next followed by save and new, and let's copy our next pick list label which is material. So copy this and choose pick list followed by, so it should be pick list not with multi select, followed by next, and paste the value, and now choose enter values with each value separated by a new line, and now copy this and paste all the value, and now click on next followed by next followed by save and new. And our final pick list, let's copy the label, and now choose pick list and next, paste the value and click on enter values with each value separated by a new line, and copy all of these values now and paste it right over here, followed by next followed by next, and now click on save. So guys, now let's go back over here. So how to go here, just click on app launcher and choose Salesforce CPQ so that you will get this page. So here in global search, what I'm going to search for is Q-000 followed by 46. So once if you get the result, click on it, choose edit lines. So here choose add products and search for smart, and choose smartwatch right over here, followed by select, So here we are just going to choose save. So before that, just make sure the size, accent and everything is having some value, and now click on save. And here just make sure we are having values for smartwatch, material, color and accent, and now click on save. So here choose edit, and if you scroll down you will find order over here. Check this, click on save. So that is all about this challenge. Let's go back and scroll down and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed all of these challenges now. If you find this video useful, do subscribe to our channel. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.